How to set take profit in OANDA. First of all, log into your account at trade.oanda.com and open the trading platform. Once you are inside, choose the trading instrument you want to trade, such as Forex, commodities or indices, and open the new order window. Here you will see the option to set your take profit level. The take profit is designed to automatically close your trade once the price reaches your chosen profit target, allowing you to lock in gains without monitoring the market all the time. You can enter the exact price level where you want to take profit. By using take profit, you will be able to trade more efficiently, remove emotions from decision making, and stick to your trading plan. Now you know how to set take profit in OANDA. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful trading tutorials.